Hey guys, and welcome to my newest tutorial. In today's video we're gonna talk about how you can basically reset your database on your WordPress website. So how can we do that? First of all, we're gonna install a plugin. You're gonna scroll down on the left hand side and you're gonna go to plugins. Left click on that. After that, it should take us to this page right here. We're gonna go to add new plugin right next to plugins. Left click on that, and on the right hand side in the search plugins menu you're gonna search for database reset. We're gonna choose the first option, which is basically the VP database tables, WordPress data table, dynamic table, and table chart plugins. So that is not what we're gonna do. We are going to go with database reset, which is the skip reinstalling WordPress to reset it and reset the WordPress database back to its original state with one click. We're gonna left click on install now, and we're gonna wait for it to change to the activate button. Left click on activate. So after we activated it, it should be in the installed plugins right here. You're gonna left click here, and here we should find the plugin which we just installed. So it's right here. So it is the VP database reset. We're gonna left click on reset database right below the name, and we're gonna go below, and here it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna select tables, and in the security code we're gonna do it 26637, and we're gonna left click on reset tables, click on OK, and there it is. So we have successfully resetted our tables. If you go to the site, you're gonna also see that. And that's it guys for today's video. I hope that guys helped you, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.